Finally, the price of the new portable console presented by MSI with a rather strange name called Claw A1M has been revealed. This console was presented during CES and attracted much attention for being presented as a competition for the Steam Deck or the Rogue Ally or even the Legion Go. The price of the most basic model will be $699. In this case, the most basic model integrates a Core Ultra 5 processor accompanied by 512 gigabytes of storage. Meanwhile, there is an intermediate edition with Core Ultra 7 which is priced at $749. And there is also an edition with 1 terabyte of storage with this same processor priced at $799. Fortunately, in all 3 editions it has 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM. I remind you that this console has a 7-inch IPS display with 120 Hz in its refresh rate. And in this case, we are talking about the first portable console of this style that has an Intel processor instead of an AMD processor, as all its competitors have bet. Its battery is 53 watt-hours, so the manufacturer claims it can give you 2 hours of use on a full charge. Let me know if you would like us to get this console to review it and analyze it completely.